Far away from the crowds, deep within the mountains, lies a village cupped within a landscape of untouched nature. It is a place surrounded by endless green, illuminated at night by a quiet, fading magic. Cascading green rice terrace, the last home of the fireflies, the oldest village in Bali. This is Taro. Located in Tegalalang, Gianyar, Taro village is a 40-minute drive north of central Ubud. Nestled up to 750 meters above the sea, this village is home to 10,947 people across 12.89 square kilometers of ancient landscape, preserving their original form today. Divided into 14 desa adat or traditional village, they live with tradition and blend with nature.
Selamat datang di Desa Taro. Desa Taro adalah desa yang tertua di Bali. Dari histori sejarah, Desa Taro dijadikan desa wisata mulai tahun 2017. Disitulah kami mengembangkan dengan melibatkan masyarakat kami sendiri dan sekarang banyak memiliki destinasi pariwisata.
Taro ini sangat dikenal dengan konservasinya, pelestariannya, tidak hanya pentingnya tadi, ada hutannya, ada pertaniannya, subahnya, ada juga candi-candinya, borobudur-duanya, termasuk juga budaya yang ada, banyak sekali tradisi-tradisi yang berkembang di Taro yang masih terjaga sampai sekarang.
Taro's unique branch of ecotourism immerses visitors in nature and tradition through the village's various destination spots, such as surrounded by wide rice field and fresh mountain air, Firefly Gardens offer one of the most peaceful view in Taro. Here, you can enjoy the calm atmosphere, scenic landscapes, and the opportunity to see the magic of fireflies as the sun sets. Beyond the beauty of the fireflies, Taro also continue its effort to protect and preserve them through Bring Back the Light, firefly conservation. Here, you can learn about different species of fireflies and stay overnight to enjoy a closer connection with nature and experience the firefly lights. Another unique symbol of Taro is its sacred white cow, known as Lembu Putih. The white cows are deeply respected by the local community and are closely connected to the village's spiritual history and tradition. Visitors can see them up close, feed them, and learn all about their unique history. For those seeking a slower and more peaceful atmosphere, Semararati offers panoramic valleys views surrounded by lush greenery. It's the perfect place to slow down, enjoy the fresh mountain air, and take in the beauty Taro's natural landscapes. Hidden within Taro's natural surroundings, Yeh Pikat Waterfall offers a refreshing escape into nature. The trekking journey, flowing waters, and peaceful atmosphere create an experience that feels both calming and adventurous. One of the best ways to explore Taro is by cycling through its scenic rice field. Along the journey, you can enjoy the fresh air, beautiful landscape, and the charms of Taro's life. Within Taro village, you can find 14 traditional village or desa adat scattered across the region, each shaped by its warm-hearted people and bound by sacred tradition passed down through generations. As you begin your journey across Taro, you will find desa adat Tatar, Ked, and Taro Kelot, where locals work tirelessly to sustain their rich agricultural heritage through vast rice terrace and plantation. Here, you would find the unique tradition of Kincang Kincung. Together, village elders and youth scaling a towering 15-meter penjor, an act to honor their ancestor and pray for a bountiful harvest.
Jadi tradisi ini ada rasa syukur kepada Tuhan, di mana pada tradisi ini kan mengambil titik itu titik penyor. Jadi bagaimana penyor itu simbol kemakmuran. Dalam proses tradisi itu kita berjuang untuk mencari kemakmuran.
Venturing deeper, you will reach Desa Adat Tarukaja, Belong, and Patas, serving as the lively heart of the region, bustling with local markets, welcoming homestays, and active community life. In Desa Adat Patas, the people preserve the sacred Pengaciaci tradition. This series of rituals spans from seed planting to harvest, serving a collective prayer for a smooth farming and a gratitude for the land's abundance.
Mungkin dari segi tradisi yang kami lakukan, semua simbolnya adalah ke alam semesta. Suatu wujud permohonan satu, kedua ada wujud syukur gitu dari tradisi apa yang kita lakukan.
As you move further north, you will find Desa Adat Puakan, Pakusebe, Pisangkelod, and Tebuana, nestled within a rolling green landscape and pristine mountain view. Here, the spirit of community is beautifully preserved through the tradition of Magibung from Pakusebe. In this tradition, villagers sit closely together in a small group to share a communal meal from a single platter.
Nah, Magibung itu dipakai untuk menyatukan kami. Karena saat Magibung itu nggak boleh milih dengan siapa karena duduk itu nggak boleh. Jadi istilahnya siapapun semua saudara.
At the northernmost edge of Taro lies Desa Adat Let, Pisangkaja, Alas Pucung, and Sengkaduan. Set in a mountain, the people here live modest, humble life, working closely with the earth as rice farmers, growers, and planters. In Pisangkaja, this connection to the spiritual is seen through the ritual of Tabuhra. Manifested as a sacred cockfight, this ancient practice functioned as a solemn holy offering to ward off negative forces and to pray for safety and harmony for the community.
Ya ini ke tradisi yang pun turun-temurun, ampun tradisi yang pun dapat kan yang tinggal menjalankan dan
Taro village also boasts a rich heritage of traditional dance that are deeply rooted in its local culture. Among these is Legong Taro, a unique performance believed to be the ancient origin of the entire Legong style found across Bali.
Kalau Legong itu kan sudah lumrah ya, Legong kan emang ada ceritanya. Tapi versi kita yang di sini itu unik, ada kayak bagian part terakhir itu ada kayangnya, gitu. Lumayan susah sih.
Taro stand as a living testament to Balinese culture, surviving beautifully against the taste of time. As the oldest village, many of Bali's traditions found their roots here. It is a place where the people are genuinely warm and deeply connected to their land, creating a peaceful, timeless atmosphere when the air is cool and the life moves with a gentle grace. Here, within this living harmony, you too can discover the true beauty of Taro.